The fight for Oromia, spearheaded by the Oromo Liberation Army, OLA, is intensifying day by day. The iconic anthem, "All Roads Lead to Finfinny," underscores the strategic goal of securing control over the 5 main routes to Finfinny, Addis Ababa, the current capital of Ethiopia. Should the OLA succeed in controlling these crucial routes, it would signify the demise of colonial Ethiopia and herald the liberation of Oromia and its people. Originally established in 1974 as the military wing of the Oromo Liberation Front, OLF, the OLA, under its current leadership of General Kumsa Diriba, who serves as the commander-in-chief, along with deputy leader Gamechu Aboyi, are based within Oromia. In contrast to its predecessor, which had its OLF leadership and OLA fighters situated in a hostile third country, the current OLA has its high command and political arm, OLF, based in camps throughout Oromia. Despite decades of pleas from the Oromo people for the recognition of their basic human rights in Oromia, the international community and the Ethiopian government have largely ignored these calls. However, a notable shift has occurred due to the OLA's military success throughout Oromia. This has captured the attention of the international community and the Ethiopian government, prompting an interest in engaging in dialogue with the OLA. With control over a significant portion of Oromia, the OLA conducts training for its recruits in various camps in Oromia, free from interference by the Ethiopian National Defense Forces. Over the past 12 to 15 months, the OLA has reported an average of 2 defections per day from the Ethiopian National Defense Forces, particularly among members of Oromo origin. In response to this trend, the Ethiopian Defense Force is on high alert, fearing substantial defections from its Oromo origin members to the OLA. As a precautionary measure, the Ethiopian Defense Force has undertaken actions such as disarming, arresting, and killing numerous members in an attempt to stem the tide of defections. Backed by the majority of the Oromo people, the largest ethnic group in Ethiopia, the OLA operates with a structure more akin to a professional military than a guerrilla group. The organization maintains educational camps for various purposes, including training military officers, instructing new recruits, managing city administration, and dealing with prisoners of war. Over the past 5 years, the OLA has significantly bolstered its ranks. The OLA's fighters are organized into squads, platoons, battalions, and brigades, demonstrating a structured and hierarchical approach. Notably, the OLA has acquired a significant arsenal of weapons from the Ethiopian National Defense Forces, arming itself with a range of weaponry such as AKs, general-purpose machine guns, heavy machine guns, sniper rifles, rocket-propelled grenades, and anti-aircraft Zu-23. OLA operates its own media outlets, leveraging various social media platforms to provide first-hand accounts of events. The organization issues a daily news report covering current events in Oromia, detailing military operations, conducting interviews with prisoners of war, POWs, and hosting weekly Zoom meetings. These virtual gatherings serve to discuss ongoing events, educate the Oromo people about their history and culture, and foster a sense of community engagement. As the Ethiopian government grapples with a loss of control in the Tigray region, compounded by repercussions from its alliance with the Eritrean government and the emergence of extremist Amhara militiamen created to combat the Tigray Liberation Front, TPLF, its influence further diminishes in the Oromia and Amhara regions. In a changing global landscape that leans away from globalization, the inevitability of a free Oromia becomes apparent. However, the United States' heightened efforts to support colonial Ethiopia raises questions. Over the past 3 decades, East Africa has witnessed a departure from colonial-drawn borders toward the establishment of smaller, ethnically defined nations. Sudan's further fragmentation seems likely. Somaliland has maintained independence since 1991, despite lacking UN recognition, and Tigray is moving towards declaring independence from Ethiopia. The pivotal question now is not if the OLA will achieve full control of Oromia, but rather when.